Guys, watch this for a second.
Why did you hit that girl? I saw her face when I walked in.
Because she lied to me. I told that child 3 times to leave that phone alone. And she looked me dead in my face and did it anyway.
Now that you're done watching, does it feel like real two people are talking? Yes. Does it feel like that? Now, here is the interesting part. This was created with AI. Yes, you heard me right, AI. But there is a big difference between making AI characters talk and making them feel like they are having actual conversation. Yes, and that's what I want to show you today. I'm going to show you how I create AI dialogue stories that feel more natural, from the way the characters talk to their reaction, their expression, and even those little pauses that makes the conversation feel real. Because let's be honest, sometimes you watch an AI video and immediately you know, oh, this is AI. Yes, the characters are talking, but something just feel off. I don't know if you've seen something like that before. So in this video, I'm going to show you the little things I do to make my AI dialogue scenes feel more like a real movie. And if you're here for the first time, thank you for joining my channel. My name is Cheta, and here I give tips on content creation. If you enjoy such content, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, and share. All right, let me show you how I do this. Let's go.
Okay, guys, first off, you head over to ChatGPT and then you write your title, the title of drama you want. I just wrote mine. I want a drama about a man confronting his girlfriend and asking why she hit her child. So, this is it. I just pasted it in, and you can also tell ChatGPT how many dialogues you want, depending on how lengthy or depending on how many minutes you want the drama to be. I just want this to be a short drama of at max 30 seconds. So this is it. This is the first, second, third, and fourth dialogue. Everything is ready like so. So I will go over, I will head back up to copy the image prompt so I can generate the scene. That's the scene prompt. This is it from the beginning to the end. I just copied it, so I would also generate the image using ChatGPT. So I just pasted the prompt over here and I wrote in portrait, and the picture our scene is currently generating and is ready, guys. I love it. It's okay, it's nice. I'll be using it. So I'll go ahead, download it, and then come over to copy my dialogue one. This is dialogue one from the first to the last line. Not all dialogue, just dialogue one. Then I'll move over to flow. I'll be using flow to create this animation. So I just opened flow. I clicked on the plus sign, uploaded my image, pasting my prompt. There, this is my prompt. Everything is okay. Then switch from image to video, then to the aspect ratio, how many I want the video and stuff like that, and how many seconds I wanted the video is generating, guys. So the video is ready, and I will go over and copy my second prompt. Yes, this is the second prompt. This is the second dialogue. Sorry, I just copied it. So I will go over right now to flow and paste in the second dialogue. Yeah, this is the second dialogue, guys. And I'll click on the white arrow sign and generate my second video. That's my second dialogue, guys. So just like the first time, I'll also, put in the prompt, the aspect ratio, and the second dialogue is generating, guys. So I'm going to go over to the script again and show you what makes it feel and look like a real dialogue. So for you to get a perfect dialogue, the second character must be reacting. Like you must write the reaction of the second character. So you can see the black woman standing left, looking away, arms folding across her chest, already getting defensive. So these are the little things that makes it feel like a real dialogue, that makes it feel real. All right, guys, that's it. If you need the prompt, let me know in the comments or join my Telegram group.
And that's basically the secret. It's not just about making the characters speak, it's about making them react, pause, look at each other, and actually respond to what the other person is saying. Those little details can make completely those little details can completely change the scene, make it feel human. If you want the prompts for the dialogue, image, and the animation, let me know in the comments section, or better still, join my Telegram group because I'll be pinning it in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you.